Hey you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Deecombs and I'm back with another video. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you guys get notified whenever I upload a new video to my channel. So for those who are new to my channel, I also do hair. I have been in hair for about 2 years. However, I took a break for a while and recently relaunched my hair business. So this is my first time installing a wig since forever. I will leave my personal Instagram and my hair page down below in the description box so you guys can go ahead and follow both pages. So as you guys can see, I'm applying Got2b gel to my client's edges. This step is extremely important when it comes to protecting your edges when removing your wigs. The first step is applying a thin layer of Got2b gel to your edges. Now the second step is to make sure you grab yourself an edge brush your edges back just to protect your edges. This step is extremely simple. All you have to do is set your blow dryer on medium to high temp and make sure the Got2b gel is completely dry before applying your cap to your client's head. As you guys can see, I added a wig cap to my client's head. You can find these wig caps in any local beauty supply store, or even sometimes the wig cap comes in your packaging when you order a wig online. The most important step when adding a wig cap to your client's head or even your head is make sure you stretch out the cap. You have to stretch out the cap so the cap can easily blend in when you glue it down or Got2b spray it. So after stretching out the wig cap, I go about and pulling the excess wig cap towards the back, because that line that you've seen above my client's eyebrows, you want to make sure that that thin little line is towards the back, because you don't want that line to be visible before applying your wig, because it will show when you add the makeup. So by pulling the wig cap a little back will prevent that line from being visible either on your client's hairline or anywhere in the front of the hairline. Now you guys can grab any pair of shears. I personally like using eyebrow shears because I find them to be a lot more sharper than regular hair shears. You will then cut a small hole by your ears and cut a big enough hole that you can pull your ears out. So this way the wig cap is being held by your ears. After that, you can go ahead and start spraying your Got2b spray on the perimeter of your client's hairline, and you can spray as much as you want, as long as it doesn't go too far down in your client's hairline. So this step might seem very tedious, however it's not. It's also very important. Just make sure you put your blow dryer at medium to high temperature and blow dry the Got2b spray until it's completely dry. This step is important because once you apply your makeup that your client provides you, you don't want the cap to be wet. So you want the cap to be completely dry, so when you add the makeup, it can blend in right to your client's skin tone. The next step after the Got2b spray is completely dry, you want to take the same shears from earlier and cut the wig cap around your client's hairline and make sure it's laying extremely flat. If you find yourself having the edges of the wig cap rolling up, you can either keep cutting around your client's hairline or simply taking your Got2b spray and spraying it down so it can lay flat. Like I said previously, if you happen to find some little ripple effects around the edges of your wig cap, you can go ahead and grab your Got2b spray and spray it down and turn on your blow dryer so the wig cap can be melted to your client's skin. Now here I'm just grabbing some rubbing alcohol. I personally prefer to use 90% rubbing alcohol. However, any rubbing alcohol can work. You want to use the rubbing alcohol around the perimeter of your wig cap to remove any oils or any excess product that may be in your client's forehead, which can prevent the glue from not working properly.
What we do here is go back.
So here I'm just adding some Fenty Beauty foundation to apply to the wig cap. You can use any foundation, it doesn't have to be Fenty Beauty. This was just the one my client had brought to me to use. Now, you don't have to apply too much foundation to your client's wig cap. However, I would suggest you to apply a moderate amount to the wig cap, only on top of the head, not towards the back, because you're not going to see the back. You will mostly see the front and the middle. Depending on what design or what style you're doing, whether it's a middle part or side part, just add a moderate amount to the top of the head, so when you apply your wig, it can blend right into your client. Now, with the same foundation you use on the wig cap, you can use the same foundation to apply the inside of your wig. This step is to make sure that your wig and your wig cap is the same tone, so it can blend right in and give that whole scalp effect look on your client. Here you will see me parting the hair above the ears. This is going to be my guide for me to cut that excess lace off so the wig can fit just right on her head. Now I'm going to repeat the same step and part the hair above the ears so I can cut the excess lace off from the wig, just like I did previously to the left side. So now this is a really beginner friendly step if you have trouble gluing down the wig all at once. Here you will see me using my hair shears, not my eyebrow shears, just to cut a few tabs around the perimeter of the lace front so it can be easier for me to glue down in sections rather than gluing down the entire wig all at once. So right here I realized I cut the tabs a little too small. I recommend you guys to cut your tabs a lot larger than this. You can cut your tabs into 3 different sections. The first section could be for the middle of the head, one for the left side and one for the right side. Then shortly you will see me adding Ericka J's lace adhesive glue. This glue is bomb. I recommend it. It's very easy to apply and it dries very quickly. Now all you have to do is make sure you turn on your blow dryer on medium to high temp and make sure that the glue turns clear. This glue does dry pretty quickly, so just keep that in mind. When it's clear, it's tacky, and once it's clear, all you have to do is lay down the lace and you'll be all set. Now to lay down the lace, always use a rat tail comb. Never use your fingers because your fingers carry oil and you don't want to use your fingers to press down the wig because the wig sometimes may not stick to the glue. So it's always a good idea to use the rat tail comb to make sure that the lace is laid down.
What we do here is go back.
So after gluing down all 3 tabs, I went and added an elastic band around my client's forehead. This way it melts the lace down on my client's head. The next step is to take an eyebrow razor and cut the lace in a zigzag motion so it can give a more natural look to the wig when laying it flat. As you guys can see, my camera died, so unfortunately I didn't capture a few steps. However, I inserted 2 clips after this one to show you guys a final look. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and drop a comment below if you guys want to see more videos like this.